Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a IBM Selectric 1, like the original style Selectric 1, with a fabric ribbon, 11-inch model. Although this was not made in 1961, it is basically the same machine that was put on the market in August of 1961. Same year and month I was born, these were born. I find that kind of ironic that I would be born the same time the Selectrics are, and I know how to fix and repair these. So let's take a look at this one. This is an 11-inch model. On off is right down here. Starts perfect. It's been reconditioned by me here at Phoenix Typewriter. It's looking and working perfect. It is just a beautiful example of the iconic Selectric typewriter. So let's open this thing up a little and take a look at the insides a little bit. That's where it really shows off here. Pop this case off here. Put the roller back in here so we can continue typing on it as needed. There we go. So this is in great shape. Got new replacement pulleys. Over here the cords have all been rewound. Platinum's all been reworked, rebuilt. Keyboard was completely seized on this. It is feather touch now. Everything is perfect. Come over here, the side is gleaming just as well. Had to pull the operational shaft, redo the hub, reinforce the hub with metal reinforcement. That's all been redone. Type's perfect. Very nice typewriter. It's in excellent condition for being a 40-year-old, 50-year-old typewriter. Motor back here starting like a champ. There she is right there. That was all flushed and serviced. New motor shim in here. Switch is original, still working fine. Didn't need to mess with that. Kind of surprising, but everything looks great on this machine. Even got a new ribbon cartridge in here, so it's nice and dark. On the ribbon cartridge, being this is a fabric cartridge, it's just got these settings here with this arm. Adjusts the ribbon. I'm just going to put it in the middle of the road there. Alright. Good day, people.